let me make it very clear. If you can do a screen recording, I will appreciate it. I don't have time. I don't have time. Time is not on my side that I can spend the whole day going to Mapurisa, reporting people, kumira mkoti and stuff. I don't have time. I'm so busy with my life. I'm so busy with my family. I'm so busy.
Do you know?
Make sure life yangu, life yedu yakananga say.
One thing shafanya kuti unaona social media.
Yeah.
Inini nditone vanhu kuti unozoti ndinganga chikushara zvakati ndozota zvekutonzwa. But sometimes I'm not on my phone. Ndatoswera ndichitombeya ndichitoita ya life yangu ndichitodii. Saka when you become so busy, chero ukataura zvakaita sei, you end up wakungosiya ngota it's okay. You understand?
Yeah.
Let it go. At the end of the day, mazwana nemoto yekuti hakuna gwara kafani munhu achitukwa. You understand?
To be honest, ndopfungwa dzangu inini. We've got every right. I have every right to go kumapurisa and report some people and I mean kubva kudhara. Dai ndakazviita kubva. Why now? Why now? Inga ndiri mupenyu one. Ndiri mupenyu nemhuri yangu tiri vapenyu. Why would I go kumacourts and report people? It's just a waste of time. Kana time chaicho yekuripota yasvika pakuchaona ndichiripota, but for now I don't have time, guys. Please,
plus, you know what? I always say a stone thrown when you're angry will never reach a target. Saka dombora unokanda wakatsamwa hari temi target yako. Focus on what is important. Because you know sometimes you get distracted nezvinhu zvisina basa.
Besides,
do you know? Okay, inini ndatone zvituko zviri predictable kuziva kuti munhu akada kutotuka rongodewe mama vingo chati zvikazodii ndatojaira. Zvanofanira kuti ukangorwa mwana every day you end up getting used. Saka there's nothing new you're going to say chichakurwadza.
Besides, imagine Will Smith going on Google and search for Madam Boss, and here Madam Boss is suing Ningi. Madam Boss is in court with Ningi. Imagine Chloe Bailey going, Beyonce will go to Chloe and say, look, I need this one, and then Beyonce will go on YouTube and say, let me search for Madam. To see courts. I must be changed.
So it's just good to let go sometimes.
And sometimes this what do you call it? Criticism.
They are good.
Criticism, they will do that.
You need to be strong.